Lesson number 6, English for pre-intermediate and intermediate. Today we will be talking about experiences. Okay, so the aim of the lesson is to talk about experiences, and when we talk about experiences we use the present perfect tense. Okay, so let's begin. The first one is, just for this lesson, you could say, my name is Tom and I would like to talk about my achievements and experiences, because your achievements are also your experiences. Okay, now let's move to the next one. We could say, to begin with, as we know, we raise our voice here. Okay, there's a comma, the sentence is not finished. I've got a degree in science. Okay, so I'm contracting it, but for your reference I'm writing the whole word. Okay, have, but later in the end I would contract it. I would write it like I've. Okay, alright, I got it in 2014. How was that? This is the past tense, okay, because of the time here. Okay, it has helped me a lot in my professional life. Again, has and helped. So with has and have, after that we use the third form of the verb. Okay, that's past participle. You remember there are three forms of verbs, like, for example, go, then second is simple past, which is went, and then third is past participle, gone. Okay, like that. There's a list of verbs. Then we can say, also, I've got a master's degree in psychology. I've loved this subject since I was young, and I've written a lot of articles on psychology. Okay, so again, have written, have got, have loved. Okay, third form again. Now, let me talk about traveling and adventures. They go hand in hand. Okay, I've traveled to many countries and have done many activities. Okay, now this traveling, the spelling here could be double L or single L. Okay, so in the UK they use double L, in the US just one L is okay. Both the spellings are acceptable, so you don't need to worry about any kind of mistake here. Okay, so the next one, we could say, I've gone skydiving. It was in 2016. Again, past tense. It has been one of the best experiences ever. So that's been lifetime experiences, right? Then you can say, in addition, again, raise your voice, I've gone hiking, trekking, and scuba diving. So that's like sea diving. Okay, trekking, this will become again weaker n. Okay, so all n's do become n. Okay, because they are not stressed on. It has been thrilling. What is thrilling? Like exciting. Okay? Again, has been thrilling. Has, third form of the verb to be. Okay, in the end we can say, there are still a lot of things that I would like to do in the future, or in future, same. I hope the pandemic is over soon. Okay, so the rule is simple. Okay, has, have plus verb, third form. So let me read it again non-stop. My name is Tom and I would like to talk about my achievements and experiences. To begin with, I've got a degree in science. I got it in 2014. It has helped me a lot in my professional life. Also, I've got a master's degree in psychology. I've loved this subject since I was young, and I've written a lot of articles on psychology. Now, let me talk about traveling and adventures. I've traveled to many countries and have done many activities. I've gone skydiving. It's been one of the best experiences ever. In addition, I've gone hiking, trekking, and scuba diving. It's been thrilling. There are still a lot of things that I would like to do in the future. I hope the pandemic is over soon. Okay, So I hope you got a fair idea of using the present perfect tense for talking about experiences. So keep practicing. I'll be back with another lesson. Take care. Bye bye.